Customers sent in. By the way, I'm over here with Tony at the Mini Mania shop. I came to look at something else, and look what's on the bench. One of the original Jack Knight 5-speeds. These are basically late 90s or so, for the most part. You don't see very many of them. A lot of people think the best example of the 5-speed. This one here with the straight cut gears. And we're just eyeballing. It looks to be probably a 344, giving you a nice low end with straight cuts and a reasonable highway RPM as well. Maybe best of all worlds. Look at that, ready to be rebuilt. Just a bit more on this. How do you ID one of these? Look at this speedo housing end here. Again, you got the big JKD in the casting, and of course this was an early way to support the pinion bearing as well as provide the necessary bits here for the 5-speed linkage and such. When you look at the cases on these, they do say DAM 5626, but then you see this JKD. This was a different casting. You'll see a lot of these 5-speed made out of the standard DAM 5626, but this one here unique in that they built the modifications into the case for the 5-speed setup rather than cobbling them in. I mean, I've seen some of the 5-speeds where they take a standard case and weld in stuff to support bearings. This one was designed from the start and beautifully executed. Maybe one of the best classic mini gearboxes right here in front of us.
Yeah.